Personal size baking. OvenStuff Toaster Oven Set is ideal for those looking to cook individual portion sizes without heating up the oven. Toast up a quick snack or appetizer instead of zapping it in the microwave for crispy golden results. Great for small living spaces or college living. Non-stick finish. Pan and rack are coated in a superior release non-stick finish that resists food from sticking and makes cleanup quick and easy. Quality assurance. Heavyweight steel construction ensures even heating with no hot spots for perfect baking results. Care instructions. Hand wash and towel dry. Size. Internal pan dimensions 8.5 by 6.5 inches. External pan dimensions 10 by 7.13 inches. Rack dimension 7.75 by 5.6 inches. Personal-sized baking has never been easier. With OvenStuff Toaster Oven Set, bake individual-sized portions without heating up the oven. Instead of zapping a quick snack or appetizer in the microwave, toast it up for crispy golden result. OvenStuff Toaster Oven Pan is coated with DuraGlide PLUS non-stick coating inside and out, letting baked goods release with ease, while making cleanup a snap. The durable steel construction heats evenly with no hot spots for perfect baking results. This toaster oven set is perfect for smaller living spaces, apartments and college living. Fits in most toaster ovens. Hand wash and towel dry thoroughly. Pan is backed by a 5-year limited. Internal dimensions of cookie pan are 8.5 inches by 6.5 inches. External dimensions are 10 inches by 7.13 inch. Non-stick rack is 7.75 inches by 5.6 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Great value at the price. I was looking for a cooling rack to use with some small pans I already own, and this came up in my search. I was pleasantly surprised to find this cooling rack, which includes a pan, appeared in my search at a price lower than purchasing a cooling rack alone, in a size that fits my French door air fryer. This is a perfect set for use in a French door-sized air fryer. The pan's non-stick finish is great, and I can use the included rack will work perfectly with my existing French door-sized pans.